Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So now we have some idea how Spring Core behaves. So what kind of classes or solution it provides. Now we have to deep dive into more detail, like what is Spring Core, or simply what is Spring. So in simplest term I can say Spring is a framework of frameworks. So that means you can think of any framework which is possible to integrate with Java or supports Java language. You can easily integrate that framework with Spring. That's how it is designed. It can be easily integrated with any framework, and yep, then you can do your stuffs for your enterprise applications. So it's up to us how we want to achieve. Either we can use XML files or through what do you call that, through annotations. So it's up to us how we want to go forward. So in our current session, we'll start with XML based configuration, and later as we proceed, we will integrate annotations as well. But for now, it's XML, then gradually we'll move from XML to annotations. Now, there are certain things like inversion of control. So, and that stand for, IOC, that stand for inversion of control, and through inversion of control, we achieve dependency injection. So that's one big term. We have to understand that as well. What is inversion control and how it works. But for now, IOC, through IOC, we can achieve dependency injection. Theoretically, we have to spend some more time on it. But for now, Spring Core is a framework of frameworks, or sorry, Spring Framework is a framework of frameworks. It's easy to integrate multiple frameworks within that, we will see. And that's possible either using XML configurations or through annotations. Then next big thing about Spring is IOC, that is inversion of control, and through that you can achieve dependency injection. And next big thing about Spring Framework is Spring Container. So what does it do? So I have written only one statement there, that it manages the state of Java objects. So how it do and what kind of thing you have to do, yeah, we will see in next classes, in upcoming classes. But for now, I just gave you an idea when we're talking about Spring Container. So see, in core Java we saw, if you have to create an object, what do you need to do? Write student, then reference, then equal sign, and new keyword. And what we do, constructor call, and that's how we get object from that class, and we call that object instantiation. If you are using Spring by using XML configuration, so you have to use a tag, bean tag. So give two features or attributes. One is ID, next one is class, and accordingly give these things a reference and a fully qualified name of the class where inside XML file, and then you will again get your object created from the Spring. So no need of new keyword. So who will do this? Spring Container will do this. So I said manages the state of Java object. How? When we implement this whole thing in Eclipse, that we will see. But for now, theoretically, that's how it works. So that's a big thing. You don't have to use new keyword. Some kind of configuration you have to do, and Spring Container will do that. And as I said, manages the state of Java object. So we have to understand what is Spring Container, what does it do, and how to achieve Spring Container through your code. So that's for next video. Thanks for watching this. Let's meet next section. Bye bye.